buses rolled into the parking lot of the Physical Education Complex at Jamestown Community College in the early morning hours of March 14, 2019. Nearly 1,000 students from every school district across the southern tier piled out of the buses and packed into the arena for one reason: the 9th annual STEM Wars.
STEM Wars is a platform for students to gather and come compete using their science, technology, engineering, and mathematics skills. So it's really, you think about how we have our sports competitions and we have our concerts for musicians. Well, this is a platform for students who enjoy practicing their STEM skills.
At the heart, that's the core of STEM Wars, right? We're trying to connect the dots for kids. In these, the country has basically vetted and said that science, technology, engineering, and math are going to be the 4 or 5 disciplines, if you can include the arts as well, that are going to be really driving our economy going forward into the future.
STEM Wars! STEM Wars!
STEM Wars was the brainchild of science teacher Ted Hoka, who wanted to create an event that excited students and showcased area manufacturers.
So it's been really wonderful to see how the communities come together to support this activity. I think there's about several thousand jobs available every year in Chautauqua County for technological companies, so I think this is a way to show that interest is there.
That interest has snowballed over the years, and STEM Wars now includes representatives from over 24 of the region's top businesses.
Stark Technologies Group is the main sponsor this year. They are a building and engineer management company. They were very helpful this year, supportive and just participating very well. So it was exciting to have them as our main sponsor. They really exemplified what we want out of a manufacturer's involvement.
The technology that we use is really the future. So what we'd like to do is not only show the students, but also the teachers and other people here what you can really do with the technology. These are jobs that you can do locally and stay here. They're very good paying jobs. They're very technical jobs. And a lot of people just don't see this side of the world, so they don't know what's out there. So we're just hoping to expand people's horizons as far as what's available, what they can do, and be able to stay here in our area and support our community.
And I think the kids like it. They get to, not only do they get to demonstrate and compete in different competitions, but they get to do it, with all different school districts that are there. So, it creates a different atmosphere than, maybe if you just did it at your home school or something along those lines, for sure.
The most rewarding aspect, I would say, is probably the involvement that I get out of every group. We have middle school, high school, manufacturers, tech teachers, and other teachers as well. Everyone just comes together and they're very excited to be there and participating in that day.